All right, so he's gonna do a simple parking job. He's going to go in door 16, which is that door right there. Kind of started turning a little early, so that shoved his trailer way out there. But it's also going to give him plenty of time to chase it in. Now I'm not going to give him any instruction on the back, because we have all night, we have all day to do it. So he timed it wrong. You can see his axles are way over. Let's see what he does. So I want him to try to get the axles to that line, and he passed it. So we're gonna practice line work when we get to Walmart. And trust me, my students know all about line work. They tend to hate it. In the beginning, they do anyway. Ooh, I can set you guys down right here. Perfect. Not bad, but you missed it.
Yeah, when I was coming in, it was weird. I knew once I saw it, I didn't have it over far. So that's why
line work is going to teach you that. So let's go ahead and get our doors open.
But it didn't take me an hour to get in the last one.
Walmart in New York, you don't have that. Oh, good. Great answer. I got that to be Sorry for all the extra movement there.
So now what?
Well, you got to hit the dock.
Oh, I could hit the dock. I just want to hit it right.
We'll keep the trailer on the outside. Okay.
Yeah.
Preferably. No. So you want to take the edge of this trailer
to that yellow stripe.
and you want to hit the trailer right here. All right. Sometimes that yellow stripe is not right where it needs to be. But you can see here, it's just on the inside. So if you get the edge of that trailer, you will be lined up with that dock just fine.
Okay.
Just go slow and take your time. Oh, I could actually kind of do a mirror view. Kind of. worry about me. Slow. Go forward and try again.
Hey, are y'all gonna load and stay here tonight?
Probably, yeah. We got 5 hours.
Left before you can start?
No, 5 hours left.
Oh,
and then
drive?
10, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So chances are, at this time of night, trying to get a spot at a truck stop,
Ain't happening.
easier is just here, do a 10,
Yeah.
get the 400 miles done when we wake up and be done with it.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to see if she'll load me and just let me stay here.
I don't know why not. Cause I'll be gone shortly after my 10.
Yeah.
That's much better. So that over there is a trailer keeper that he's going to back up on, and it will lock the trailer in place. Good. So that's a good park job. Not too shabby, not too shabby.
And I get paid to back into things and hit stuff.
Your wife is going to be watching this video along with your kids.
We'll see, so it'll make perfect sense. Getting paid to back into.
Dude, I love you. You're fucking hilarious. Oh man.
So now
That's it.
that's it. Now they'll do
So you see that thing that you backed up on? Now what they're gonna do when that light goes red,
yeah.
that's gonna come up and it's gonna prevent you from being able to drive away with the trailer.
Okay.
And it looks like they're just about to do it.
Yeah. They just
So when you see that light red, okay, up there, you don't want to go anywhere. You see how it activated right there?
Yep.
So yeah, that keeps you from going anywhere.
Cool. And now what? They tell us when it's green, we're good to go.
They might come to the door, they might knock on it, they might call you because they got your number. And so other than that, we just climb in the bunk and kind of just do, off duty, or actually SB, sleeper.
Yeah.
And then we just do sleeper stuff,
Nice.
like talk on the phone. And tell her how you back up into things to get
I get paid to
paid.
hit stuff.
Yeah.
Swift.
No, Swift, we run over things and get paid for it.
Oh.
All right.
Swing wide.
Swing wide, we got a trailer, right? All right, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And yeah, this parking lot is mostly empty, and it's not because Swift is here. It's just because we got here. Anyway, thank you for watching. Later.